bandwagon.
Hello sa mga bandwagon ng Final Fantasy kasi papasok yung Final Fantasy set this June. 1, 2, 3. What's up mga bandwagon ng Final Fantasy set? Ano? Ako lang ba?
Tuloy mo.
Hindi. What's up mga bandwagon ng Final Fantasy set? Welcome to our first podcast. We are Balasa.
Yeah, we're very glad na magkakaroon na kami this podcast session for today.
Shoutout din sa mga true fan ng Final Fantasy.
Yeah. Pero we're not against bandwagons or anyone who's into the release or the set. Okay.
They save.
Pero nyo yan, gusto nyo yan, bilhin nyo, kayo bahala. Okay.
Shoutout lang yun.
Yung mahirap yun nauubos agad yung set Hindi na nakabili kasi ito, kaya ganyan yun
Naka-jersey na nga lang ako
Thank you guys for tuning in. We're now here in Balasa and currently this is going to be our studio for today. We're very glad na meron kaming space. So yeah, we're going to be introducing some of our cast members here in Balasa. Oh, by the way, my name is Jerome and the person beside me is...
Bowie.
Yeah, so...
Huwag nang i-Google or i-Facebook.
So yeah, so we're going to be here with...
Mike's pala.
Yeah, and also with...
Paolo.
Okay, guys. So again, we're gonna have a short intro for each and everyone here. We have other members who are gonna be part of this podcast session. So right now, kami lang muna. And
so relax.
Yeah, we're gonna be having a bit of more guests.
May isa pa tayong guest.
Ano?
Si Waffles.
Okay, yeah, Waffles. Nagma-magic ba yan?
Marunong yan.
Marunong yan.
No,
Ka-tribal.
Si Arabo yan actually.
Ano mo si Ajani. So yun nga, we're gonna be talking about a few questions lang naman. Just to let you guys know who is part of Balasa and why did we do Balasa. And I'm very glad kasi everyone in the team is actually it's a really good collaborated idea. Hindi namin in-expect na matutuloy ito. Na-push lang talaga namin. So we really wanted to create a Filipino community for Magic. As far as we know kasi, most yung mga nakikita namin mga Magic content is opening packs. We wanted to delve more into the Magic community here in the Philippines. So yun talaga yung goal namin. At the same time, since bago lang tong channel na to, we're doing our best to establish it. And we wanna make a lot of stories and a lot of legacy and tales with other people that we meet during our adventure in playing Magic the Gathering. So yun nga. So we're gonna be starting our question segment. So
hopefully they join us in our journey.
Yeah, hope to see you guys soon in other places in LGS or other hobby shops or whatever. We hope to see you there in the near future. So yeah, would you like to add anything, Bowie?
Wala.
Okay ka lang, hindi ka nagalit. Hindi naman init ulo mo.
Tubig.
Abangan niyo po siya pag nag-visit siya sa
same get up po.
So yeah.
Alright, to start with,
okay.
What do we have?
So first, let's introduce ourselves for a bit, guys. Bowie,
would you like to start?
Introduce yourself lang. A bit of
my name is Bowie.
Yeah.
You can call me Bowie. Thank you. So,
paano ka nag-start ng Magic?
Nag-start ako mag-Magic around 2018 yata. Basta yung release ng first Ixalan set.
Oh.
So, kwento noon, kaya ako nag-start mag-Magic. Napadaan ako sa isang LGS sa may Trinoma yata yun or North EDSA. Tapos, nakita ko yung Magic the Gathering product. So,
nagsimula na yung addiction
doon nag-start yung addiction ko. I bought a Planeswalker deck na at that time na
Planeswalker deck? Sinong Planeswalker?
si Vraska versus...
Uy, Golgari.
Duel
Oh,
decks.
Oh.
which is
Good taste.
eventually hindi ko rin nagamit, tapos nag-start na ako mag-standard. Kasi hindi naman siya pwedeng gamitin sa standard. Eh.
True.
Ang dual deck.
True.
Hindi, all plays power deck.
Hindi, wala sa set kasi.
Hindi ka tinuro
Oh.
Hindi ako tinuruan ng... Bumili lang ako ng product.
Ng produkto.
Hindi ka aware.
Curious ka lang, pero wala kang,
Curious, wala.
walang nagdala sa'yo or walang nag-entice sa'yo.
Wala.
Talagang Talagang
Out of
curiosity lang talaga.
curiosity, bigla akong bumili.
Wow.
Kasi nung bata ako, gusto kong maglaro ng TCG. But since yun, bata ako, wala akong finance, wala akong pera.
Understand.
So ngayon nagtatrabaho ako.
Mm.
Yun,
Parang nakapag-magic na lalo.
Nakapag-magic lang. Ayun, wala na akong pera pang kain. Kaya guys, mabiling pagkain. Tapos,
We need this to work.
Science diet mo mamaya, Sher.
ikaw, gusto ko lang.
Diet reveal na to.
Ano pang gusto nyo malaman? Ano pa bang pwede natin?
I mean, we can,
Sila naman. Sige.
Okay, for me, okay.
You first.
Well, hi guys. I've started playing Magic since 2017, kung tama ba yung year na yun. 2017.
Ay,
Ang-
hindi na nakalayo.
Like 1 year
Around
lang,
that
no?
time. Around that time.
Yeah, pero ang set kasi nun, ang bagong release na set nun is Guilds of Ravnica?
Oh,
Ooh.
Or War of the Spark?
Basta yun yung naabutan mo.
War of the Spark.
We don't have to be
Yeah,
very specific about
basta
it.
yung year kung kailan nag-release ang War of the Spark.
okay. Okay.
That's when I started playing Magic. And then,
Sa comments, pakilagay kung saan taon na gano'n.
even the comments ko lang kasi medyo- I'm not really good with the dates. I don't remember numbers that much. But yeah, so yun nga, I started playing Magic in a standard format. So yung build ko pa nun, yung deck ko nun is Surveil type. Yung lumabas yung mechanic na Surveil. So,
May surveil na nun? Yeah.
yeah, War of the Sparks.
Oh,
really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ano sa OTJ? Anyway.
No, Surveil was...
Sorry.
That started, kasi yung Enhanced Surveillance, yung Dimir Spybug,
Mga
Yung-
Dimir
Oh.
Shield.
yeah, Surveil, Unmoored Ego,
Notion Rain.
yeah, Notion Rain,
Notion
yeah, that
Rain.
too, and Etrata, yung mga ganun, and Lazav.
Yeah,
So that's where Lazav came in. So yeah, my first commander was Lazav. Dimir commander siya. So mga bago, Dimir are the colors representing blue and black. So technically blue, I like the control aspect of it, and black is for the tutor and for the control also. And yung mga nagre-recur kasi ng mga creatures, bet na bet ko siya that time. When I came into Magic, I started in the standard format, nag-surveil mechanic standard deck ako. And then, like, after a year, a friend of mine invited me to play EDH. So, hindi ko alam kung ibig sabihin ng EDH. Sabi ko, yun. EDH, hindi ko alam. So, yun nga, naglaro ko ng Lazav, and then, bigla akong nag-lean into a combo, and then, doon din nag-release, like, after a few sets, nag-release ang Thassa's Oracle.
Oh.
And then Demonic Consultation. Mura pa yun nung time na yun. Like 300 pesos pa yung Thassa's Oracle. And yung Demonic Consultation was like 200 lang. So it was like a 500 per combo. Yung usong combo pa ata nun, Flash Hook eh. Hindi pa nababa yung Flash. So,
Flash Hulk.
yung Protein Hulk.
Problema ka ba sa Protean Hulk?
Yeah, so if ever you guys are gonna meet Brian, one of my friends here in Balasa, that was his combo before. Ang gamit niyang deck is Tassigor. So you're gonna meet him maybe soon. Not sure when. Yeah, but
Shoutout sa lahat ng Brian na nanonood.
Ba't sila lang special?
yung mga nagta-Tassigor deck, yan, mga malalakas yan.
Shoutout kay Tassigor.
Yung mga nagsusultay, yan. So yeah, that's how I got into Magic, and now we're here because it's a good hobby. At the same time, I'm really glad kasi marami nangyari sa akin when I played Magic. So yeah.
Hi, I'm Pao. Hindi ko maalala kung anong year ako nag-start mag-Magic. Basta yung nilaruan ko nun, ang main set nun,
Wait, may 19 ba dun sa year na yun? May 19?
hindi naman.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi naman.
19.
Kasi nag-start ako, yung main set nun was Champions of Kamigawa.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wala.
Yeah.
Di ba-
Pretty old.
Very thematic.
Then I stopped for a while. Pero that time I was playing Modern, and I built my favorite deck, which was blue, green, infect.
Ow! Yeah.
I just love the mechanic of
We have nothing against infect players over there. So
infect player. You have nothing against me.
yeah.
Infect
100 life, gawin natin 10. Alam niyo yan.
it's a fair mechanic.
Yeah.
Against life thing. Pero yun. So I got into modern that way. Then after a while, I became bored with modern because hindi ako maka-keep up.
Nililista ka na, infect player ka daw kasi. Nililista ka na.
Okay lang. Noisy.
Go ahead.
Then a few years after ko mag-stop for a while, na-discover ng friend ko yung EDH. And dun niya ako in-and-eyes.
Ano ba meaning ng EDH?
Elder Dragon Highlander. For
For the new ones who don't know EDH, that is what it is.
So,
Alam ko commander yung meaning.
For those of you who know, comment nyo na lang. Pero,
Superman,
ako
Hope.
namin.
Anyway, tapos doon ko binuo yung first commander ko, si Oloro. The Ageless Ascetic.
Oh, the guy that doesn't die.
Well, you never cast him.
Yeah,
because he just does everything.
The guy that doesn't die. You never
Actually,
die.
ako yung una laging namamatay kasi ay, gain 2 life lagi. kailangan ka i-humble pa para alright, gets.
Get a life.
Literal. So, pinalitan ko siya ng Zur, the Enchanter.
Oh, wow.
Stacks ba yan?
Hindi.
More on value, I think.
More on, ano siya nun, auras.
Yeah.
Pero may combo ako doon na stacks. So, anyway.
Well, it is a play type.
Yeah. Eventually, malalaman nila kung ano yan.
Yeah, we're gonna be talking about that.
So, hello guys. Mike's here. Hindi ko maalala kung kailan ako nag-start eh.
May 19 ba?
Pero, walang 19. Walang 19.
May bumababa sa mountain.
Pero type 1. Tawag nila type 1 eh.
Type 1. Sige.
Tawag nila doon type 1. Pero walang 19.
Kung nabutan niyo yung type 1, ano pa isa? Type 2.
Type 2. Ay, may type 1.5.
Grabe.
Shout out guys.
That is type 1, type 2.
Yun na yun.
Very old set now.
Then, that was back then na pag sinabing type 2, yun yung standard.
Oh.
Pag sinabing type 1, yun yung modern na ngayon. Kasi parang dalawa lang before.
Yeah.
Dalawang format lang.
And then, eventually, nagkaroon ng 1.5 wherein yun yung naging modern. And then yung type 1, siya na ngayon yung either vintage
Legacy.
or legacy.
Oh.
Yung pala.
Pero di ko naabutan yun. Just so you know.
Pero alam,
Just so,
alam mo na.
Just so happen, alam ko lang.
Kala ko na daan.
Worgal ko ngayon.
We're not age shaming. We don't mind if the person is older than us, okay? Minsan na-amaze lang kami sa mga naglalaro talaga Magic for a long time. So,
Saan mo nilalagay
just,
yung land base mo?
Sa harap.
Ay, di. Sa baba ko.
Sige.
So, started with Magic dahil sa pinsan ko. Ewan ko kung wala siyang... I mean, may kapatid naman siya. Pero ako, out of... Doon sa mga kapatid niya and ako, so 4 kami. Pero hindi kami nagko-commander pa that time. Nahook ako and sobrang humaling ako sa blue. Gusto ko yung maraming binabasa sa card.
Wow.
Gusto ko yung parang complicated yung ginagawa. Ayun, something about denying a player. Parang... Sorry.
Control player. Control player.
Yeah, pero hindi. Yung pinsan ko hindi. Actually, aggro yun eh. Pero ako yung...
Wait, parang like contrast talaga. Aggro and control.
Yes. Ako yung talagang nag-ano nung blue na...
Yeah, you wanna be the other side. You wanna be the other side of the coin.
Parang play it slow tayo. My own pace. I will dictate. Parang ganyan. Yun yung naging ano ko. So, yun, eventually, naging control player sa standard. Actually, sa modern din. And then, ito nga, EDH. Ayaw ko yan. before.
Nice.
So, yeah, may nag-i-introduce sa akin yan before. I find it boring. Ayoko niya.
Ako ba yun?
That's not how I play Magic.
Ako ba yun?
Limited to 1 cards, ayoko yan. Honestly. Gusto ko playset, 3 or 2. Pero 1, ano tawag niya doon? Singletons.
You were given the notion na parang parang ay isa-isa lang tapos mas marami pa.
Di ko feel.
Parang hirap hanapin ng mga cards tapos parang mas mahal.
Oo. Tapos 100 card deck.
Oo.
Parang ang dami.
Sobrang dami.
60 card tayo. Yun lang tayo, 60 card.
Yeah.
And then, parang eventually lumipas yung time and na-reignite siya. Actually, with my kid, with my son, si Marcos. Naka-pull siya ng magandang card. And accidentally, parang nagtanong-tanong ako, nag-crowdsource ako. It was a doubling season na Enchanted Tales foil.
Wait, was that the Throne of
Doubling season.
Eldraine?
Eldraine, yes.
The Goose Mother na
Yes.
doubling season.
So,
Nasa'yo pa.
wala na. Pero nakapull si Marcos noon. And after doing research and crowdsource, okay daw siya kay Atraxa. And that's our first commander. Praetor's Voice.
Nice.
Sana on my first commander.
Wala ka ba first
Wala ka
commander?
first commander.
Oh.
Hindi ko sinabi.
Ay,
Sino? Tatapo ka agad?
commander na hindi X, okay?
Wala.
Okay, commander.
Okay, first commander.
Yung
Okay.
first commander ko, si Mundrota, the Gravetide.
Oh.
Kasi ang kwento nun, nagbukas ako ng box ng Dominaria. Tapos na-pull ko lang siya, tapos nakita ko siya, interesting card. Tapos bumula ako ng deck out of yung mga nabunot ko lang na cards during opening ng packs, prize packs.
Okay. So, hindi ka na parang nag-deck
Di siya,
pabura. Deck tech.
di siya fully optimized. Like,
It's
ano lang
just
siya.
the cards that you
Ano lang
wanted,
meron, oo.
you had.
Okay.
I mean, you work with what you have.
Yeah, that's
Diba?
right.
You work with what you have.
Always
talaga.
ganun naman.
Tapos eventually, kasi that time di ako focus sa commander nun eh.
Yeah.
Nilalaro ko lang standard din, modern na. Tapos pandemic hit. Minenta ko yung
Nag-guilty ka.
Binenta ko yung modern ko. Tapos, nag-start ako mag-build ng
Magic.
EDH commander na optimize yung deck.
That's how you started.
I mean, I think-
Muldrota is your first.
Yun yung
Who
iano
is
ko
your
na
commander now?
ngayon. Marami na eh.
Your best.
Best.
Or pet commander.
Ngayon, pet commander ko siguro si si Meren tsaka si Stella Lee.
Oh.
Sila yung pwede ko itapat sa mga bracket 4 nyo tsaka CD.
Oh, yeah. About brackets, we're gonna be talking about that in another session, or
Ah.
maybe in other segments. But
Ayun.
yeah, that's a tier. It's a tier list of power levels. So
Okay.
yeah, so goods. Well, I think we all started with the 60 card format naman. When we started playing Magic, generally kasi, well, other than the common recurrences today, na Wizards are releasing a lot of precons.
Yes.
Mostly mga multiverses pa.
SLD.
Sobrang dami mga pumapasok na Magic ngayon because of the upcoming sets and multiverses beyond. So I think doon sila nainganyo. And we're happy kasi, hindi naman namin gina-gatekeep tong Magic the Gathering. Gusto talaga namin na there's a bigger community of Magic here in the Philippines and mas maraming maglaro na player, lalo na yung mga young bloods. Yung
Mas
mga...
maka-attract eh.
Oh, very,
Mga
very,
players.
very. Sobra. So yun nga, na-mention mo nga, Bowie, no? And also you...
Who's your first?
First?
Who's
Lazab.
your first?
Lazab was my
Lazab.
first commander.
So who's your pet peeve?
Pet peeve commander right now is...
Pet
Pet peeve, pet commander right now.
Iba yung pet peeve,
Sorry. Well, for some, it's a pet peeve kasi who I use is Coma. Simic. From Dimir to Simic. Yeah, so...
Can't be countered.
No need to explain. We might have a different deck tech segment for that if you guys wanna...
na-hurt yung counter spell.
Yeah. If you guys wanna talk about my Coma deck, bahala na. Next time na lang siguro.
Simic.
Yeah, Simic is the way for
You
me.
can spell ick.
Ick with- Ayun. So anyway, Yun nga, we're gonna be moving to our next portion of the questionnaire. So, na-mention nyo na muntik na kayo mag-let go ng Magic, no? So, I'm gonna be asking naman, which part of Magic did you choose to stay? What made you stay? Kasi it's just a hobby eh. It's a simple hobby lang eh. Pero-
Let me start that one.
No? Yeah, go ahead.
Hindi, kasi yun nga. So, parang I've been playing that long. Pero hindi ko pa rin alam kailan.
Tagal na siguro.
Basta matagal
Sobrang
na.
tagal na.
Actually with me, on and off ako. And parang around 4 times na akong huminto. Then eventually bumalik. And
Especially during COVID, no? Ang daming
Yeah.
tumigil mag-Magic.
Actually,
It's a very expensive hobby.
Muntik na
And
rin
it's
ako.
a very, it's a very
kasama yan.
Yeah.
social hobby.
Yeah, it is a social hobby. So technically, hindi tayo pwede mag
Kaya may
face-to-face.
gathering eh.
Yeah.
Pasok mo ba yun?
Oblivion.
Again mo.
Pasok mo ba yun?
Okay.
Pero yun nga, so first two were medyo sad kasi anong gagawin ko kung wala na yung cards ko.
Oh, true.
The third one, actually all 4 were sad naman. Iba-iba lang talaga. Pero the thing is, nakakatuwa kasi even though na parang mapalipas ko siya ng months, 6 months, a year, for some reason, may either from an expansion or from a card na biglang lalabas na, oh, okay to ah. Then, kung hindi ko na alam yung ability, mapapa-search ako. So, ano na yung ginagawa nun? And then, it starts from that lang. Tapos yung curiosity ko, yung curiosity as a whole, mabibuild up na uli na parang, oh, okay.
It's the rabbit hole, no?
It calls you.
Eventually.
It calls for you pa rin.
Parang, uy, ano
Really
ginagawa
pulls
nito?
you. Yun
Biglang,
nga eh.
oh,
Parang,
ano bang synergy nito?
Sino ba? Eh, yun
Mga
nga.
ganun eh.
Pero yun nga, yung huli kong balik, well, technically, in a happy way naman kasi this time, I'm with Marcos na nga, na sobrang interested na siya, and then at the same time, in a way, nadamay ako.
Oh, Marcos, your son.
Yeah, Marcos
Okay.
is my kid.
Shout out.
Yeah, shout out Marcos.
Ayun na. Ay, pumangkin.
Dito.
And so, yun nga, parang there's something about the game na talagang consistent, stable, magbago man yung abilities, magbago man yung...
Yeah, kudos to Magic. Kudos to Wizards for them maintaining the
Yes,
game
parang ano eh,
despite the COVID.
insert lang ng bagong ability, but the mechanics, how you play it, how you win, how you don't win.
Interesting, very interesting. Very
Diba?
interesting
Same
talaga.
siya eh.
Yeah.
In a nutshell, for me, if I may say, IMO, same siya eh. Consistent and stable, and yun yung nakakatuwa doon. Napapasukan pa ng mga bagong but in its entirety, yun siya. Siya pa rin. So yun, that's what keeps me. Sorry.
Siya pa rin.
Siya pa rin.
Never-
Sana all siya pa rin.
Siya pa rin.
You never forget your firsts ba?
Gaya mong nawala, babalik ka rin.
Oy!
Babalik ka rin. Ikaw pa, what made you stay playing Magic?
Stay playing Magic.
Yeah.
It's mostly because of the community.
Community.
Yeah.
Nice.
Kasi,
You're a social person.
Pero have you ever stopped ba?
yes.
Like stop na nag-quit ka or...
Not necessarily quit. More on,
yeah.
yeah, hiatus. Like a cool off mood,
Mm.
so to speak. Kasi, kasi hindi ako ganun ka-social na person. Mahihain talaga ako.
Mm.
Tingnan mo.
So yung mga kalaro ko is yung mga nag-imbita lang sa akin.
Alright.
When we started getting busy, parang, oh, okay, I guess we can't play Magic as usual as,
Dati.
as dati. So, nung nangyari yon, hindi naman ako naglakas loob na parang, oh, pupunta ako na LGS, I wanna play with other people, ganyan. Kasi,
Ang hassle.
takot din ako dun sa power level eh.
Ah,
Okay.
Like,
It's overwhelming.
yeah, hindi minsan parang masasabayan ko ba sila?
Yeah.
Magugustuhan ba nila yung deck ko?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
new people.
Lalo na with meeting new people that way, like parang I get na sobrang nakakatakot siya.
Actually, something to add lang, something to add, Pao. Kasi for new players din, dumaan ako dyan kasi, tinuruan ako ng pinsan ko, pero eventually, pag hindi available yung pinsan ko or any doon sa mga kapatid niya, na pinsan ko din, hindi ako nakakalaro. So, paano ako nag-start nun is, may mga card shops, back then. Sobrang nakakakaba. Parang kahit yung magtitingin-tingin ka lang or magtatanong-tanong ka lang.
Parang lalapitan ka ng sales lady. Sir, may bibilin po ba kayo?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Medyo.
Pero I guess what I wanted to
Mape-pressure ka bumili.
say, sa mga bago, good job sa mga LGS kasi they know how to handle new players na.
Yeah, I think there are welcome decks available.
Sobrang welcoming na nila. Yung mga LGS na I know, I can actually name a lot na sobrang welcoming nila. Good job. So, if you're a new player na medyo wala ka pang crowd, wala ka pang group, you're not part of yun lang, parang try mo lang. It's medyo leap of faith din.
I've met a lot of people who are introverted, and doon ko na-realize na you just need to find a group. And then doon ka...
Yes. At some point, lulunukin mo talaga yung yung...
comfort zone. You have to step up.
You just have to
It's baby steps. You don't need to rush into it. Just make sure na you have someone that you know in that group. Play with them.
Maswerte ako kasi hindi sa LGS lumakas yung loob ko. It's with the
Friends.
Eastwood group. Yeah.
Friends.
Na nakita ko yun parang okay. Sa Eastwood group. That place.
Mo ngayon.
Uy, grabe.
Yun. Ba't kaya naglag sarili mo?
Suot mo. Grabe. Okay.
Direct. Parang padagdag lang din, So, actually, itong UKC group ka pala dun sa Eastwood. So, may scheduled games sila every weekend. So, ayun, parang
Usually around
Eastwood gang.
Sundays. Saturdays and Sundays. Minsan may Saturday. Kadalasan meron Sunday.
Yeah.
If you wanna check them out.
If you guys are living near Eastwood, you can find them there.
Kasi minsan may mga doon napapadaan lang during pag may game tayo doon or kami.
Kamusta na sila ngayon?
May mga dumadaan lang na players na binabanggit nila na naglalaro din sila. Tapos yun, na-invite din namin eventually na
That's nice.
next week na bumalik kayo para maglaro. Ayun.
Magic is a growing community.
Yes.
Ayun, yung iba doon naging solid members na nung community. Example, Exhibit A.
Exhibit A.
Oh, nice.
I've been there for a year now.
Nag-umay ka na. Okay,
Oo.
mag-aanib ka.
Pwede na i-kick sa group.
Alright, I think we're good. Would you like to add anything, Pao?
No.
Okay. Louie, what made you stay into Magic?
Chicks din. Same kay Pao. Then, joke lang eh. Delete mo yun. Same kay Pao, yung community. Kasi,
Okay. Yup.
hindi rin ako ma-social na tao. Hindi ako
May social anxiety ka ba?
Hindi naman. Parang, hindi ako friendly or approachable. Tapos nung na-meet ko yung community ng Magic, ayun yung sa amin.
Kaya pala
Na-build ko
ganun
yung
yung intro mo.
confidence ko makipag-communicate sa iba.
Kaya pala ganun yung
Tapos,
intro
na
mo.
parang nahanap ko yung people ko, tapos
Positive
dumami din yung,
Natatanggal na yung veil niya na siga siya.
ayun.
Wala yung angas mo dun, pre.
Tapos, yun, parang iba parang hindi lang friends yung tingin ko sa akin, parang naging family ko na rin sila.
Oh my God. So pag pamilya, uutangan.
Pamilya.
Try lang.
Parang strong bond yung nabuo namin, yung camaraderie.
Yeah.
Spell camaraderie. So,
Spell ko. Camaraderie.
Yeah, well, for me naman, if, staying in Magic is really, well, for me kasi, hindi naman siya like easy for me on a budget. Kasi Magic is a really expensive hobby.
It is.
Especially nung student ako, grabe gusto ko gumawa ng maraming decks, pero I can't make all of them.
Ituturo natin yung Skyflakes diet.
Skyflakes diet. By the way, we're not sponsored by Skyflakes or anything. So,
sounds like lang yun.
Anyway, yun nga. Pero nung dumating yung COVID, nung dumating yung COVID, I also had to quit. Hindi naman like quit, like stop.
Hindi counted yan.
Yeah, no?
Matik yan. I mean,
Matik.
wala naman
lang saglit.
wala naman nakapaglaro.
No, but the reason also why...
Nakapaglaro kami nung pero webcam Magic.
Yeah, that's true.
Iba
yung personal
iba
kasi.
pala eh.
Iba yung on-site.
Iba yung social aspect niya eh.
Kaya gathering sa online.
Magic the social distancing.
During pandemic, nag-ikot ako sa Cubao, Ghost Town.
Walang players.
So yun nga, again, for me, community. That's the reason why I stayed on the Magic game. And also, part din ng pag-improve ng social interaction ko with other people.
Okay.
Kasi medyo din ako low-key introvert. Pero like,
so it had somehow
yeah,
developed.
it kind of developed me in a social
So
way.
INTF ba?
IMB.
Yung personality.
MBTI.
INFJ ata ako eh.
INTJ.
INTJ, okay.
Basta maganda or healthy community na mapupunta mo eh.
Yeah, that's true.
They will guide you in the right path.
Yeah, and that's why we're here, so that we can find those kinds of community.
Kaya huwag kupal.
Mga bandwagon. Pero balasadores and balasadoras, yeah, we'd like to meet you soon. Okay, so we're going next to our next question. So, how did Magic change you as a person? Wait, I already answered that. So, yun nga. Sorry. So, okay, Mike's, how did it change you as a person?
Teka lang.
Mas naging...
Sumuha ko muna. Malalim ba?
Hindi, for some reason naisip ko
walang mag-iiyakan ha.
Huwag ka iiyak ka.
Naging salty player. Hindi, joke. Ikaw wala.
Magic really helped me with my anxiety. Meeting people really give me the
anxiety.
Actually, yeah.
More.
Like yung takot na kasi medyo people pleaser din ako.
Okay.
Parang the way they look at me,
alright,
it really held a high standard to me.
Tama.
So, pero ngayon parang it's like chill na, like wala akong pake.
Kasi di ba minsan you play Magic to release stress. Huwag ka na mag-Magic kung stress ka lalo. Diba? Kaya ako mag-Magic para makalimutan yung mga pagod ng this week work diba? Dati tahimik lang ako ngayon. Madaldal na ako tsaka
As you can see,
ngayon siga na po siya.
You can hear.
Siga na po siya ngayon.
Naging siga na po siya.
Hindi ako siga. Binubuli nga nila ako.
Wow!
It helped me nga. Like yung sinabi kanina, yung communication skills with other people. Dati hindi ako kupal ngayon, kupal ako.
Isipin na lang, magiging masama sila dito sa laro. Hindi, mas nagiging confident ka when you play Magic. Kasi, na-enhance yung people skills mo, interpersonal, communication skills. So kung sa mga magulang po, nag-iengganyo, syempre usually kasi yung mga magulang, mga Magic player din no? Tapos iniengganyo yung mga anak. Pero kung...
Yung panahon ngayon.
Yeah, for those who subscribe in our channel who are not familiar with Magic, yung mga anak nyo po, if they're interested in playing a hobby game that involves going outside and playing with other people, para hindi sila confined dun sa mga PC games nila, here you can play Magic. So,
kasi mas madedevelop din yung sa...
less video game.
Less video game. Tapos parang yung utak nila na mag-think more. Kasi,
Yeah, they're gonna be more, what you call this? Logical, in a
Oh, yeah.
sense?
kasi yung decision making din
Yeah,
kasi,
decision making, yeah.
papasok dito and parang nag-assemble ka ng puzzle paano manalo
Strategic thinking. Yeah.
Strategic,
Yeah.
paano man yun.
Right. Okay, back to you, Kuya Mikes. How did magic change you as a person?
In a nutshell kasi parang ganun nga mas naging confident. Tapos lalo na yung pag kunyari pupunta ka ng hindi ko alam kung tama na nga itong sinasabi ko.
It's okay, take your time.
Help with confidence.
Sagot ko yun eh. Iba naman.
Vocabulary.
I think it's for everyone. I think it's for everyone.
Generally.
Well, you can't go outside without being confident. How can you speak with other people if you're not confident, diba?
You don't speak with them at all.
Yeah, you
That's
cannot.
the point. I don't want to.
So, parang, yun nga, parang ganyan kasi bago ka, pasok ka ng LGS, may mga nagpa-pods.
Oh.
So, at first, parang ikaw yung lang nod ka lang, ngiti-ngiti ka lang. Tapos, yung comments mo or reaction mo sa sarili mo, parang gano'n. Gano'n ka lang
Oo,
Pero
turo lang
syempre,
yun.
pag na-invite ka na,
Ikaw na yung nakaupo dun sa table.
ikaw na yung nakaupo,
Iba na.
ikaw na yung nanggaganon.
Iba na yung di ba? Pag ikaw na mismo yung naglalaro.
Oo. And then, lang yun, from one LGS to another na yun. Parang maano mo na rin pag dumayo ka.
Iba yung vibes.
Oo.
Pag nakikita mo yung community
Basta
naglalaro,
hindi ka pub stamper. Yun lang. Guys, sekis yun
That's the fun thing about Magic. You guys can go outside and look for other shops and parang nag-explore ka. That was part of the reason kung bakit ko na-enjoy yung Magic kasi parang ka nagka-card hunting.
Actually,
Yeah.
Nung hindi pa ako na-invite before sa MTG Tambayan. MTG Tambayan, guys, is a community group in Facebook where people gather, mostly mga Filipino who sell cards online. And nag-meet up sila if they're gonna be selling cards or for delivery, ganun. Pero before kasi hindi ako nasama dyan sa MTG Tambayan eh. So, ang alam ko lang, dadayo lang ako sa ibang shops, palibot-libot ako, punta ako Glorieta, punta ako ng ibang lugar, para lang makahanap lang ng mga cards na hinahanap ko.
Ngayon,
Vault?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Pero
Meron ako naalala na,
type mo na lang, di ba?
feel ko yung vibes ng pag-travel ko.
may naalala ko prior Tambayan to parang DOS base yung
DOS base.
for those na nakakalala mga tito,
Mga type 1, type 2 dyan.
Naghahanap pa pagkalata ng edad.
Please, paki-comment na lang kung ano yung basta para sa DOS base nakapaskil na naka-type doon, hindi nakapaskil.
Handaan nyo na yung mga internet card nyo.
So yun nga guys, if you're guys going into Magic, we're gonna have a group. You guys can find the online group MTG Tambayan. So yun.
Mababait tao doon.
Mababait, depende sa kausap. Well, syempre we are different in every aspect. So I think it depends on how you approach other people kasi. So yun. So our next question and last is, what card would you associate with yourself? Any card. Anong pet card mo? What card do you think?
Pwedeng lupa yan.
Yeah, because Magic kasi is an identity game. Parang for some reason you build a Magic deck based on your identity or the thing that you want to do.
Yes.
Diba? It shows a personality of you.
It has a lot of player expression to it.
Yeah, that is true. Especially pag first deck mo, di ba syempre gusto mo intact din siya sa ugali mo kung paano mo siya laruin.
Also, it has to match.
It has to match your personality as well. Parang ganoon yung feeling mo. Kasi
Pwede rin kasing fluid ka eh. Pwede iba-iba yung
tempo, control, aggro, it depends. And also at the same time, if you play Magic, syempre you're not gonna commit into it if you don't feel like you're not part of it.
Paano ka sagot mo, Winota?
Well, it's up to you. If you're into humans and creatures and filling up the board with creatures, that's fine.
Hindi naman yun yun. Hindi ginagawa ni Winota, pero hindi yun. Paano mo associate as a person?
I think it depends on the person.
I think I'll go.
Experience in playing the game.
Yeah, sa akin
Especially if you're moving into a competitive route.
It's up to interpretation.
Mm-mm.
Okay,
Diba? Diba? I mean, why would you pick a commander if you don't feel like you want to use it?
Commander ba dapat?
Yeah, doesn't
Not
have to be
necessarily.
Well, it doesn't have to be a commander. Yun nga.
any card.
Any card that you feel like gave
Gusto-
you the most memory.
Pwedeng basic forest. Pwedeng yun ang
mostly.
Yeah.
Oo.
Ako
Pwedeng
siguro
Go.
Spore Frog.
Spore Frog.
Kasi it saved me countless of times sa commander games na lethal yung combat damage na isi-swing sa akin. Yung frog na yan yung best card para sa akin sa pet card ko sa almost green decks ko.
Anything na with green.
Hindi si Poison Dart Frog.
Yun yung at some point that may kalaro kami dati na Prosh ang gamit niya. So ang parang bane of existence nung
Combat talaga.
nung
Combat based.
pag nakita ni Prosh yung Spore Frog ko parang
Like,
what the
my deck is dead. My deck is dead.
Hindi siya gagana.
Yeah. It's ano talaga, focus on combat.
Oo.
So what
Pero
Spore Frog that negates all combat damage.
pagka damage can be prevented. Can't be prevented. Yari ako.
Oh, that's a different deck. So yeah, here in Magic the Gathering, may i-improve din ang reading comprehension mo. Unless na lang kung ayaw mo talaga magbasa. Yeah, but reading the card explains the card.
Sabi, reading the card explains it.
Yeah.
Japanese yung...
What a show!
Marunong ako magbasa ng Japanese.
Well, if you can read Japanese, why not? If for those new then sa Magic, there are international cards. So there's an app in Magic na meron you can scan the card, it will find you the English version of it. Well, that's a default option kasi talaga. Pero yun nga, there are international cards or foreign cards kung tinatawag. Tapos
Legal naman siya.
legal naman. Pero they're also a bit cheaper. Cheaper in a sense kasi syempre foreign.
Yeah, we wanna read our cards.
Yeah, of course it's the convenience of you reading the cards. So ano yung pet card mo, Kuya Mike's?
Parang nostalgic din.
Yeah, the most nostalgia given to you.
Ang very first Magic card talaga na nahawakan ko, na inabot sa akin nung tinuturuan ako, is Force of Will.
Force of Will.
Wow, Force of Will.
Grabe, competitive agad.
Blue player talaga.
And then parang coincidentally, from there, doon nag-develop yung persona ko in gameplay, in parang short description na rin ng who I am. Hindi ako nangongontrol ng tao.
Okay.
Pero nangongontrol
You're just like the gaming
ng
aspect
game.
of control.
Yes. And
Okay.
parang sobrang doon ako standard days, Azorius control ako.
Mm-hmm.
With ang win con ko is yung Approach of the Second Sun.
Mm-hmm.
And then,
Classic.
nung nag-try ako ng modern, Azorius pa rin ako, Turbo Fog.
Turbo Fog.
Yeah, Turbo Fog. Parang puro mga prevent combat damage,
Galing.
puro mga ganon. Pero funny, ngayon,
Ayaw mo
parang share ko lang. Share ko lang. Ngayon, funny, pet commander ko, si Stella Lee.
Wow.
Nice.
Ayun, pero, yun yung sa akin. Pao.
Pao.
Ako, hindi ko man siya nagagamit sa mga commander decks ko, pero the card I associate myself the most is Thunder Wolves.
Oh, that is so
No, because I have a brother who used to play Magic
It's
before
really,
me.
really old card.
And when he introduced me to Magic the Gathering, that was one of the cards that he gave me to build my own deck. It was a mono white weenies with lots of wolves, lots of 1/1 humans, may pikemen, may bandi.
Yun, yung ability na wala na ngayon. Banding.
Parang sentimental card siya sa'yo.
Yeah.
Nostalgic card.
Kung I planned to build Voha, that commander, the wolf commander that works with other wolves, just so I could play that, pero may nauna na sa akin. So parang, ayoko ng kapareho. So,
Sino yung
hawak ko lang.
Sino yung gumawa ng boha na yun?
Shoutout kanina.
Kadiri ka. Sino ka?
Yeah, we have a member sa Eastwood, sa UKC who are also, may guy doon na naglaro ng Boa.
Dati naman.
Ang lakas ng voha niya. So when we're disgusted by a deck, it doesn't mean that we hate you. It's just that we're impressed.
Yeah.
Okay, we're extremely impressed.
Yeah,
We
take it,
appreciate the challenge.
take it with a grain of salt. It's not always negative.
Kasi naman yung hubuan. Hindi, joke lang.
pero balita ako, binaklas na daw niya eh.
Binakas na.
Kasi walang combo.
Ay, wow. Parang malala. Mas malala.
Combo player.
Balik ka na lang sa buwan.
Si Boy Magda ba to?
Hindi ko alam. Ikaw ba?
Abangan niya guys kasi
May
Boy Magda.
favorite card ba? Or a card that,
You just associate. Whatever. Basic mountain?
No. I've never played red when I started. Yeah, I went straight into blue and black and then green. Never ako nag-red. I never touched the color red ever since that time. Unless I played... Well, the first commander that I played red with is Iron Man. Oh yeah, guys. Iron Man exists in Commander. It's a secret lair type shenanigan. So, that's the first time I played red. Okay? So, pero ang pet card ko talaga was Koma. Yeah, everyone hates Koma, but I love Koma so much. Kasi,
Weak.
Ayaw magpa-counter.
nung nag-quit kasi ako sa Magic nung COVID, I was really in a tight spot. Kasi I don't know if I still can come back to Magic. Until I got a job, and syempre, nakalikom ako ng extra budget. And then I bought a card. And I was like, how can I get back into Magic? Ano ba yung gusto kong gawin ulit? Kasi before, I was a combo player. And then when I went back again into Magic, I wanted to play as a control player. So I played hard control. So people hate Koma, I know. But the thing is, it brought me back again to Magic. Kasi dun talaga nag-evolve yung love ko for the game again. I'll tell you a bit story kasi when I was using Lazav, medyo salty siya kalaban. Kasi you can put Phage Untouchable in the deck.
Oh, right. Yeah. Of course you did. Of course you did that
Financial
line.
Dreadnought with Vector Asp ability trigger with Infect. So, it's kind of bad.
Nasty.
Tapos sobrang combo-centric din siya kasi may Thassa's Oracle and Demonic Consultation. So, I understand the hate. But it kind of got, I got a beef with someone in game. We were like very competitive to each other. So,
Chismis.
yeah, it's very hot take.
The Who.
Yeah.
Kilala ko ba?
Hindi. Yung person na to was also part of my playgroup na...
Buhay pa ba?
Uy, grabe ka. Pero shout out to that guy na nakilala ko and thank you for playing White Magic with me that time and I really appreciate it. So yun nga. Pero
Natuto ka naman.
natuto naman ako talaga.
Pero hopefully, okay rin. Sana okay.
Yeah. Pero yun nga. When I came back into Magic, playing Koma was one of the biggest things that happened to me kasi naisip ko, like, there's hope pa rin. Kahit sabihin mo may attrition ka na, nalulugi ka na, or nahihirapan ka na during those times during the pandemic, there's still hope. You can still get back to your hobby. Diba? And when I played Koma, I really enjoyed it kasi I can stop combo players. Because I know how your combo works.
Yeah.
Diba?
Hindi control si Koma eh. Komang yun eh.
Comatose.
Komang yun.
Yung stay na linya kasi hindi na makapag-tap na ability kasi natatap ko.
Kailangan na name drop ko.
Yeah. What's funny?
Nagre-react ka dyan eh. Talagang ka na.
Marami nang binasag ang confidence ni ko.
Pero yun nga,
Ability pa
yeah,
more.
pet peeve ko si Koma. Really love
Hindi,
the
pero
Koma.
actually may friend din ako na Koma din.
Mm.
Modern player siya, pero medyo naano ko mag-commander. Kahit saglit lang. And funny, ang ginawa niya Koma.
It's fun.
Kainis.
Really fun. Kainis. Yun nga eh, kasi that's my pet peeve. Pet peeve. That's my pet card. So,
Ako, pet peeve ko.
pet peeve. I think we're already done with the conversation with the questionnaires, but would you guys like to add anything? Any upcoming highlights or segments that will come for the near future of Balasa? Yeah, we're just really glad that we happened to do this session kasi this was like on and off. Hindi kami sure kung gusto talaga namin ituloy. And right now we're here.
Yes.
If you guys can see, I think from this side here, pero hindi na namin papakita, we're currently working on our logo. Yung logo na nakikita nyo ngayon, we might have to change that. But our point kasi in having that logo, it's like a unified chaos. Currently kasi we're not that, you know, structuralized, hindi pa kami ganun ka-concrete. And right now we're making a Balasa icon or a Balasa logo, and hopefully you guys can check that out again. Siguro mas magiging, hindi ko naman sinasabing pangit tong logo namin ngayon, pero what I'm saying is it might give more into our identity.
We're still improving.
We're still improving it pa.
Shout out to our artists.
Oh yeah, shout out to our
Wolf Art,
Wolf Art. Yeah, shout out to Wolf Art. Yeah, who's currently making our logo as well. We're very grateful.
Can you give me a thumbs up kung tama yung pangalan na yun, pre? Wolf Art, no? Wolf Art, no? Wolf Art.
Ano yung
Wolf Art Studio.
Wolf Art Studios.
Yeah, shout out. Thank you again, guys, for staying and tuning in. This is Balasa.
Please look forward. And hopefully, we will...
Sana support nyo pa rin kami.
Yes.
Kahit
Anong tawag mo sa kanila? Bandwagoners?
kahit na may ako yung bandwagon.
Oh yeah, for the upcoming set of Final Fantasy, we might make a segment for that. Or
Yes, please look forward.
Yeah.
Final Fantasy. Kung anong product ang
Final
pabiyayaan
Fantasy.
tayo.
Yeah, whatever product we're in, we might get, we'll be happy to have it and also endorse it as well. So yun lang.
Paano ba?
Closing remark?
Closing remark.
How do we close the report?
Siguro,
Shut down. Paano yung,
Did you know?
paputoy ng jacket. Ayun lang. So yeah, guys.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
guys.
Thank you.
Salamat.
See you guys in the tables.